Hey y'all, I heard that there are townhomes coming to the Woodlands Hills. Let's go investigate. But first, you know what I'm gonna say, right? But first, coffee. Dogs want in, jumping at the door. Give me 5 minutes, promise, that's all I need.
Okay, babies.
Hi. Okay, so I was just looking over the email that I got back from the builder. I had sent them the email the other day asking all the things, all the questions, so that I could get every single bit of detail and information that they have so that I could share it with you. And I got back a lot of good stuff, floor plans, prices, all the things. So we're just gonna hop in the car and go drive over there. I live very close to the entrance of the community. So I'm gonna drive from my house so you can see where these townhomes are in the community, and I'll share all the details as we go. I think I'm finally ready to put my cup of coffee down. So let's go. Okay, I'm ready. Let's head out and head over to where they have the model home where the villas are going to be. Oh, I just gave you a little hint. Villas. Okay, so I know you just heard me say the word villas, but we're talking about townhomes, right? Well, sort of. Let's go take a look and I'll show you what I mean. Okay, y'all, I'm just leaving my house. I figured I would take you on a little drive through the neighborhood. I haven't done one in several months, and I plan to do one at the beginning of 2023 so you can see all the development that's happened since my last drive-through. But since we're headed over to the villas now, I figured I would take you on a little drive over. So right now, I live in the Versailles section. So if you come in, you'll see kind of a green park. This is where the paths school are as well. The schools, elementary and middle schools, are right down in this section as well. But I'm gonna take a right out here so you can see how to get there if you wanted to come by and just drive through the neighborhood and see the model homes or see the townhome villa model homes. Yes, I will explain what the difference is. First of all, right here up on the left, the next left we can take, this is where most of the model homes are in the community for all the builders, for all the single family model homes. However, the townhomes are in a different section, so this is where you would normally turn on the left right here. But we're gonna go past this model home section to where the townhomes are going to be built. So they put the model home for the villas over in a new section where they're actually going to be, which makes sense, right? Because everything else in the Woodlands Hills are single family homes, and villas technically are still considered a single family home. I will explain a little bit more about that in a bit. We're going to make a left here on East Terrelin. You can see over on the right a little sign that says model open. That's because we're headed over to the townhomes over here. This road here, Terrelin, goes out to Old Montgomery, which is an undeveloped road that leads out to Willis. So you can see on my right some construction. They're building some new streets and paths and everything. You're going to see some tractors up on my left. There's so much development happening in the Woodlands Hills. It is incredible how much has happened just since we've moved in, and the community is still very new, only a few years old at this point, and it's only about a fourth of the way built. There's going to be about 4,500 homes here when it's complete, and there's just around 900 now. We are going to cross Old Montgomery. This is kind of the undeveloped crossroad that I was telling you about. If you take a right, you're going to go into town, into Willis, but we're going to go straight because this is where we are going to the model home. These are going to be, there's going to be 5 different floor plans, and I'll tell you in detail about all of that. But the builder is Chesmar. The model is the Chantilly floor plan. So the reason that they are called villas rather than townhomes is because they do not share a wall like a traditional townhome would. You may be familiar with a townhome. Typically, they'll share walls, and there'll be one on the right, one on the left, like a home on the right and a home on the left. So right here on Bonica Terrace, we're gonna make a left, and then you'll see in the distance there, ta-da, the model home. As I said, this is the Chantilly model. We are gonna park, I'm gonna hop out, and we'll take a closer look. Okay, here it is. The Chantilly model is right behind me. That's the Chantilly floor plan. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. It has a flex room. It's a little over 1,800 square feet, has a covered patio. I'm gonna actually hop out of the way so you can get a good look at it. We're gonna go in just a minute, but I just wanna let you know, make sure you stay to the end because I'm gonna tell you about all 5 floor plans. I'm gonna show you what they're like. They're There is a 1-story floor plan. The rest of them are 2 stories. Garage is on the bottom, so it does look very much like a townhome, but as I said, it's not going to have a shared wall. We're going to talk prices for each of the floor plans and all the nitty-gritty details. All right, let's go in and take a look around so you can see all of the beautiful details, and I'll catch up with you afterwards. Let's go. All right, so let's get into the details. Chesmar Homes just premiered a unique new home style here in the Woodlands Hills, and it's their collection of freestanding villa-style homes. While a traditional townhome is a multi-story house attached to one or more houses by a shared wall, these new homes in the Woodlands Hills will look and feel a lot like a townhome, but will not share walls or be attached to any other homes. In addition, they do have one of their floor plans that is 1 story. The Chateau Collection by Chesmar Homes offers freestanding villas on individual home sets. So they're calling these villas the Chateau Collection and feature 3 bedrooms, 2-car garages, covered patios, and range in size from 1,628 to 1,900 square feet. The villas offer lifestyle, convenience, and affordable pricing similar to a townhouse, yet they're each on separate homes, which makes them so unique. I love this because it allows folks to get into this wonderful community at a lower price point and enjoy all of the amenities that the community has to offer. All of the 2-story plans include a powder half bath and flex rooms. The Cheverny and Chantilly 2-story plans offer Jack and Jill access to the secondary bath from 2 bedrooms and a covered patio off the casual dining and kitchen area downstairs. Just a reminder, the Chantilly is the model home that we're walking right now. The Cheverny floor plan starts at $297,990, and the Chantilly floor plan that we're walking now starts at $312,990. The 1-story Tanlay plan offers a utility room with a separate area for catch-all items that's accessible from the garage as well as from the primary bath and its walk-in closet. The plan also offers the option of designating the 3rd bedroom as a study, and this plan starts right now at $287,990. This is the only 1-story floor plan available in the villas. The Margaux plan is a split-level design with a covered 2nd-story balcony set off the casual dining and kitchen area, along with a covered patio downstairs off the flex room. The Margaux starts at $319,990. And last but not least, the Versailles plan is the largest plan and features the primary bedroom downstairs near the covered patio, also includes a game room upstairs with a storage closet. The Versailles also starts at $319,990. All right, y'all, I hope you enjoy that tour of the Chantilly floor plan of the brand new villas here in the Woodlands Hills. If you want to take a personal tour of the villas or any of the model homes or resale homes here in the Woodlands Hills, please reach out. I'm a realtor here and I live in the neighborhood. It's my pleasure and honor to help folks find their home here. I've also created a free ultimate guide to living in the Woodlands Hills. It's a PDF with pictures, details, prices, everything that you need to know, amenities, all the things. Check out the description below. It's absolutely free. Last but not least, I do have a playlist here where I tour all the model homes, the amenities, the community. I take you on a driving tour, a biking tour. I just take you all around. So if you want to learn more about living in the Woodlands Hills, definitely check out that playlist and my ultimate guide. Okay, I think that's enough. Coffee in the morning, iced coffee in the afternoon. Cheers. See you on the next video. Bye-bye.